The 1960 Ford Mustang Eleanor isn't merely a car, it's a rolling homage to the golden era of muscle cars and a true icon of cinema history. It masterfully fuses classic American styling with a bold, aggressive shape that remains captivating through the years. From the first glance, Eleanor makes her presence known. The sweeping fastback profile cuts through the air with a defiant posture that recalls Detroit's peak days of metal and power. Each curve and vent isn't just for looks, together, they craft one of the most unforgettable silhouettes to ever grace the asphalt. Up front, Eleanor features its unmistakable wide blacked-out grille, framed by round headlights that cast a fierce, confident glow. A muscular hood scoop hints at the raw power lurking underneath, while twin racing stripes streak over the hood, roof, and trunk, amplifying the sensation of speed even while stationary. A streamlined front bumper and deeply set fog lamps complete the intimidating face that makes the Eleanor instantly recognizable. The robust fenders arch over deep dish alloy wheels, combining polished rims with dark centers for a perfect blend of shine and menace. The car's wide and low stance announces its authority on any road. Behind the doors, sculpted side scoops nod to the original Mustang heritage, modernized with sharper, cleaner edges. Chrome trim surrounding the windows and rocker panels adds just enough sparkle to remind you this machine is both a showpiece and a street legend. The body's flowing lines run purposefully from its pointed nose to the aggressive rear deck. A subtle crease above the doors and rear fenders visually stretches the car, anchoring it firmly to the pavement. The sloping fastback roof transitions seamlessly into the decklet, capturing a design language born from function but bold in its execution. Custom Eleanor spec wheels, typically 17 or 18 inches, carry a classic 5-spoke design wrapped in thick performance tires, gripping the road with undeniable force. Behind them, slotted disc brakes hint at the modern engineering hidden inside this vintage shell. Just ahead of the rear wheels, side-mounted exhaust tips deliver not only rumbling sound but also an extra splash of visual drama, often turning heads even before the engine starts. The side view remains clean yet striking. A brushed aluminum Eleanor badge proudly sits atop the front fenders, catching the light like a badge of honor. Sleek, body-colored mirrors maintain an unbroken design flow. Long doors, framed by sculpted rocker extensions that widen toward the rear, create a confident, planted stance from every angle. At the rear, Eleanor displays her most legendary details. Triple vertical tail lights, smoked for a modern twist, salute the classic Mustang lineage. An integrated ducktail spoiler on the trunk lid adds aerodynamic function and undeniable style. Below, twin exhaust tips emerge beneath a blacked-out rear valance, promising power and attitude in equal measure. The slim, contoured rear bumper hugs the car's curves for a seamless, tailored look. Color choices are few but commanding. The most famous is pepper gray metallic paired with black racing stripes, a combination steeped in muscle car tradition. Other choices, like deep shadow black, candy apple red, or silver frost with charcoal accents, each emphasize Eleanor's sculpted bodywork, turning reflections and shadows into art. Though Ford's original Mustang launched in 1964, Eleanor's legend was born on screen in the 1974 Gone in 60 Seconds and cemented by the 2000 remake. While a true 1960 Eleanor never existed, imagining it as a prototype or custom concept bridges the early vision of Mustang performance with the cinematic soul that made Eleanor an icon. Beneath the surface, modern Eleanor replicas often sit on custom chassis and use lightweight materials like fiberglass or carbon fiber. While this script focuses on what you see from the outside, every vent, scoop, and flare plays a role in improving handling and performance. Each element, from the hood pins that nod to classic racing to the subtly integrated spoilers, has a purpose. The flared fenders do more than look tough, they speak to the Eleanor's power and control, hinting at the beast within. Whether rolling slow through downtown or tearing up backroads, this car owns the pavement. In today's digital age of silent electric cars, this imagined 1960 Eleanor stands as a testament to what muscle cars truly represent: defiance, beauty, and an unwavering refusal to fade into the background. Beyond the steel and paint, Eleanor embodies an attitude forged by decades of passion and rebellion. And when the sun glints off her panels or city lights catch her lines, the truth becomes clear: Eleanor has never been just a car, she is, and will always remain, a legend on wheels. Bell, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1960 Ford Mustang Eleanor exterior, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated on our builds, whether they're vintage customs, modern beasts, or future street legends. Thanks.